other kids think of yoga, they think of, and that's just the whole thing, and you just have to sit quietly the whole time, but it's really not like that.
For these kids, yoga's on the move.
In here we go outside, we do obstacle courses, we do stuff with lots of different things, and it's really fun.
You take one block to hit the lowest height.
The kids have a lot of energy, so there's a combination of trying to let them expend that energy in a way where they'll learn something, and also to harness that energy in a good way.
Today we did some partner things, and it strengthens you, and it helps you communicate with other people when you're doing the same thing as them, feeling their body and they're connecting with you. When I have a test, I usually like to meditate for a few minutes beforehand because it helps me clear my mind and focus on answering the questions.
I just had a dance performance, and me and my friends, we were backstage and we were really, really nervous, and so we started kind of meditating and just going home, and it actually really helped.
Yoga teacher Jennifer Brilliant has seen firsthand the kind of difference her class can make in students.
If you're an awkward preteen who feels uncomfortable in certain ways, it's incredibly refreshing and boosts your self-esteem to be able to do things that you hadn't thought that you could do, that you actually gain strength, you gain flexibility, you have balance now, you can focus your mind. It's really gives a lot of sense of self-empowerment.
It rocks! It rocks! It's really fun.
Thanks for joining us on today's Once Daily.